So I'm gonna I'm gonna try out this Sony PlayStation charger that was included in the Costco purchase of the PS VR2. Um, so I'm just opening it up right now. And I think these are probably an adapter, maybe. For the USB-C charging port, probably what lets yeah, so it's a magnetic kind of adapter that adapts the charging USB-C style charging port to the kind that can be just placed on this charger. So that's the manual. It's the actual charger. That's the actual charger. That's where the two connectors sit. This is probably just a AC adapter, and this is where the power line connects. Yeah, that's the actual power supply that converts the AC to the DC. So just have to untangle these. And this one I just connect to this power supply. Looks like it is output is 5.1 volts at 2.8 amps. It's a 14.3 watt charger. So I connect this AC adapter and then I plug it in. Basically, I connect this to the charger over here. And now it's ready for the I have to still put in these two adapters. This is what would have been the normal, I think one of these would have been the normal cable for charging. No, actually that's the HDMI, I think. Yeah, that's what I would have normally used to charge the uh, controllers, but now I just simply use this included charger. I don't think it matters left or right charger, but there's probably a certain placement. That's the port that I'm going to use, USB-C port. So what I do is I connect this converter, and this one is ready to charge. I don't know if there's an LED that shows it's charging. Probably the controller itself would show. So where does this set? Okay, so this has to set on the charging port, so it's probably going to be like this maybe, or like this. Yep, has to make contact. Yeah, I think it has made contact. Does it click? Yeah, I think it's magnetic, so I do feel it click, but I don't see any LED or what indicates. So there you go. It would have been nice if the charger itself had a indicator of which controller which of these two controllers are charging, but that's okay. And then it's the second one. I Yeah, this is bottom port. Same with this. I press it in and I set it for charging. I'm not too happy with how these place. It's kind of really not sure if it makes good contact. Let's see now. Is this one charging? Nope. Doesn't seem to be. To make sure it makes contact. I think it did. Yeah, finally did. So now I think both of them are charging, and I'm guessing that the LED colors change or they stop flashing when they finish charging. So I'm gonna keep a watch. It would be nice if there was some kind of notification or something, like when it finishes charging, but I guess this one doesn't do that. I think that's about it. It should be should finish charging soon, hopefully. This is brand new, so I don't know if it came previously charged.